Hello friends, welcome back with one more sentence correction question. This is again one of the official guide questions. Level is medium, range is 650. Concept is subject verb agreement modifier. So let us begin. It says, through the years, the exquisitely subtle flavors and superb richness of Kenyan coffee has attracted an international following of discerning consumers. So first of all, verb has. So what is the subject of have? It is richness and flavors. Why? Because exquisitely subtle and superb. So exquisitely subtle, these two are the modifier for flavors, and superb is modifier for richness. So the actual sentence is flavors and richness has attracted an international. All right. If you look at rule part, so whenever there is phrase before verb, subject will be before first preposition. And what is first preposition? Of. And before of it is richness. But richness is not alone, it is connected with and. And that is why flavors and richness will be the subject. And it becomes plural. That's why it should be have. So option A out, subject verb agreement error. Option B. Through the years, the coffee of Kenya, with its exquisitely subtle and superb rich flavor. Remember, because it is group of words, so it is modifier for Kenya. Now, what is the sentence? Kenya is subtle and Kenya is superbly rich flavors. Though exquisitely subtle and rich flavor is for Kenyan coffee, right? Not Kenya. All right. So this is modifier error, option B out. What if you look at subject verb agreement part? In that case, still it is incorrect. Why so? Because verb is after comma have. And if verb is after comma, subject will be before first comma. And that is Kenya. So before Kenya it is again phrase, and that is why subject will be coffee. So coffee has attracted instead of flavors and richness. So option B has two errors. One is subject verb agreement, second is modifier. Let us move to option C. Exquisitely subtle, superbly rich flavor of Kenyan coffee are what? So this is verb, right? And for verb, what is subject? This is verb, and for our subject is flavors. Now it says flavors are what has. But same problem, the problem is what? Subtle is, now through the years, the exquisitely subtle flavors. So these two are the modifier for flavors instead of Kenyan coffee, right? And that is the problem. Second, flavors, rich flavors of Kenyan coffee, what are has Kenyan coffee and blah 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 blah. So incorrect meaning, modifier error, option C out. Option D. Kenyan coffee's superb richness and exquisite subtlety of flavors has. Now what will be the subject of this has? This has phrase, and that is called superb richness and subtle of flavor. So now in that case, richness is one of the subject and subtlety of flavor. So here this is one of subject. Two, these two, richness and subtlety, becomes subject, and because it is connected with and, that is why it is plural. So it should be have instead of has. So option D out, option E becomes best option.